Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm Keely V, and I'm here with two special guests today. I'm here with my beautiful son, Eli. Here, my younger brother.
Hello, everybody. My name is Koa, and I'm 11 years old, so it's gonna be all right.
Truly. But yeah, so I'm having my two family members, my brother and my son, join me this video. I know yesterday I had posted on my Facebook what comic book I should read, and by unanimous decision, Spider-Man was chosen. So I actually didn't really get to read it last night. Actually, I was reading through it, but it was taking a while. So I think I might try to. Today, I'm just gonna feature this video and just showcase it to you. Just open the pages. I'll probably read a few things and just show what's inside. I mean, this is like super vintage 92s here. So yeah, we'll check that out after. But first, we're gonna actually break into this box of Upper Deck. It's called Deathmate by Valiant Comics. I had purchased this from Goodwill in Kailua for like $5.99. I actually didn't see any comps on it on eBay, but I thought this was kind of a good investment. Any sealed comic card is usually pretty decent, but yeah, I figured during quarantine we'll just break it. I'll open I'll open 9 packs today, and then the rest of the packs I'll probably sell with these comics that I have as well. Beside the Marvel comic, I do have the Valiant comics as well, with the 13 book set that I have. So I might pair some of the unopened packs with these, and I'll post them on my Mercari. I'll see how that sells. But yeah, so let's get into this break. Koa, do you wanna just read how much cards you get per pack?
So there's B cards per pack.
Eight cards.
8 cards. Yeah, 8 cards per pack and 36 packs per box. There's 110 cards set with special insert sets featuring light FX technology.
Yeah, so there seems to be some inserts, some special inserts, maybe some chrome type of cards. So 110 cards. Wait, 8 times 36. So 48. Wait, how much is that? 8 times 6 is 48, right? 8 times 3 is... 8 times 3, 24. There's just a bunch of cards here. But yeah, let's go for it. This is copyright 1993 Upper Deck. So yeah, just get right into it. Adults handle these, of course. Yeah,
Don't try this at home.
We're gonna open it. So today I had to go to the doctor's. Just did a quick checkup on me and my health. So far, so good, but of course, we could all improve on some form of health that we need to work on, I guess. But yeah, let's.
Whoa! Let's get on with
So you can kind of set it up. This is kind of what it looks like when you open it. You can set it up. Get some packs out.
That is so cool. Yeah.
We're gonna choose our packs. Hold on, don't touch it yet.
Can I have one?
Yes, we're gonna pick 3. Hold on.
3.
So we're taking out all the packs.
Why are we taking out all the packs?
The box is empty. No special promo things, anything.
Why are we taking all the packs?
Because we're not gonna sell them all. We're only gonna open a little bit. All right. So this is the left side. This is the right side. Eli, which side do you want to pick from? This side? Okay.
Yeah, I want
3.
to
You pick 3.
this one.
Okay, go. You take it. Pick 1.
And this one.
Okay, 2. Okay, 1 more.
Mm.
Go. Which side do you want to pick from?
The right side.
Okay, go. Three.
This one. This one. And this one.
I got
Okay, since you guys took from the right side, I'll take from the left. Let's go with the 3 in the middle.
I got some.
Alright, I'll probably sell these in lots. I'll probably end up selling them in lots and then pairing them up with some comics. Hopefully,
Should I have one
I
more?
can expedite the sales that way.
I have one more.
Hold on.
I want to have one more.
Okay, one more. Go. Here, one more. One more for Koa, too. Here. Okay.
What about one
All right.
more for you? One more for you.
That'd do 3. Okay, so we're just gonna open them up right now. Go ahead and open them, rip them up, see what you got. That help. So, one of the questions I wanted to ask Koa and Eli today, because we're on the topic of like Marvel and comics, what is your favorite superhero or even just supervillain? Comic book character, even. What's yours?
Galactus, because, well, he is friends with Thanos, and if you can see in different series, he
Whoa!
can eat planets,
Look at
he can
that
destroy.
guy.
He's the most hardcore person that's super big, and they actually challenged because he didn't actually give him the stuff he needed. And, well, Galactus is like the most strongest person in DC and Marvel. Well, yeah, in my opinion.
Yeah. So you like his just overall strength, period?
Yes.
Okay. Eli, what's your favorite superhero? Who's your favorite superhero? This guy? He's pointing at this card right there. It's Supreme Effort.
Yeah.
In Alberta, Canada, an oil well fire rages out of control, shooting a column of fire into the sky. Drawn by the emergency, the superhuman hero known as Supreme pits his awesome strength against his force of nature, hoping to cut off the fire's air supply. He tosses an enormous boulder upon it, but the pressure proves too great, and the makeshift plug explodes in his face. Supreme. Who else is your favorite superhero? Eli? What other superheroes do you like? Eli? Tell Dad. Talking to here. Remember, you just wanted to talk inside the microphone. No?
Hi, my name is Eli Friera.
Yes, that's your name.
Oh, I like Flash.
Flash?
Yeah.
Oh, this is not Flash. You like Flash? Alright, so we're getting into these cards. These cards are pretty, they're not stuck together, but they're really glossy. So when you do open them, they're kind of, not one piece, but you kind of got to be kind of careful to them because on the corners look not, I don't know, they're just old, I guess. But they're glossy. They have a nice, like, color. They're super colorful, like, comics. You're like, come, sit down over here. Okay. But, yeah, we're getting into these comics. Comic books. Cards. I didn't see any foils in this one. Let's see. You find any foils in yours, Cole?
Well, I'm thinking about this one. Well, it's crazy how you can see it's like a symbiote and a person. Well, kissing though. Well, I really do not know who that is, but it looks pretty cool. So, the kiss to end all time. Driven by feelings neither can explain or resist. Solar and void embrace wild confliction. Energies move about them as they share each other's powers. Well, although they are both being of energy, each one's energy is somehow alien and exotic to the other. They combine their essence in indulging feelings that they could never share with any other being. So, well, it's because
So they're just fusing together.
they're fusing.
Is this mine?
Yeah, it's. I've never heard of. Honestly, I've
Open
never
it.
heard of these
Open it.
Valiant comics before until I found these cards. So when I found these cards first, and then I found the comics at Goodwill,
Whoa.
and then I obviously put the two together. But they're not so. Obviously, Marvel has come a long way with their movies and whatnot, and DC. I mean, DC not so much as Marvel right now, but these guys I haven't heard of until now. So that's where they've been. Yeah, I'm kind of pulling out those cards. They're kind of stuck, but no real kind of surface damage when I pull them apart. I haven't found any refractors or any foil cards yet. Eli, do you see any shiny cards?
No.
No?
Well, I see one.
Where?
This.
Oh yeah, that's shiny. He's talking about the authenticated sticker, the Upper Deck.
Oh, right here.
Found one?
Yeah.
Nice. Let's see. Check this out.
Yeah.
Koa found a foil card. It's a Players, it says.
I
Fists
found
of
one.
Steel.
I found one.
You found the shiny one? So Fists of Steel, Magnus and Battlestone.
Yes.
Okay. I'll probably check the comps later. Maybe I'll add it to this video if it shows up. All right, so we got 3, 6.
There's a clear white one.
It's just white. Pretty cool. All kind of different cards. Plain background. Some are graphic.
I found two of them.
Yeah, that's pretty graphic.
Look, Dad, I found
It's
two of
comics.
them. This and then this.
Oh, yeah.
Open two more.
Oh, that's Koa's one.
This
But I don't want to open
Okay, you
it.
open one more. Koa, open one more then. Okay? Yeah, that helps. Alright, down to our last 2 packs. We opened 4, 8, 9, 10, 11 packs. And we only got 1 foil card. Hopefully we score a couple more foils. But thanks for joining us. We're just hanging out as a fam. And spending as much time together as we can. Kind of looks like
Shiny one.
Captain Planet.
I got shiny one. This. Dad, I got shiny one. Shiny one.
I haven't. Yeah, so again, like I don't know any of these superheroes, but I'm sure they coexist along all of our, fictional characters in the
Shiny
universe of characters that there are
shiny one.
Oh, you got a lot of shiny ones.
Yeah. I got a shiny one.
So how's your day, Eli? What'd you do? You playing outside of it, Koa? Yeah. Come sit down nicely. No foils?
No.
Anything? Oh, crazy. So these must be somewhat rare. I mean, I'm sure they're in the other packs. We didn't open a lot. But here's the only foil we got.
I'll open.
Pretty cool.
I'm going to take the last one.
We're going to do it in another video.
I'm going to take the last one.
Which one? Are you going to look at this one?
I'm going to take the last one in the box.
Oh, we're going to sell that later. We're going to look at this book now. Alright, so we just finished opening the cards. Out of the 8, 9, 10, 11 packs, we only pulled one of those foil effects cards. So we're thinking, you know, obviously the other packs have them, but yeah, the odds weren't great for that foil card in the packs that we chose. But that's okay. We're gonna just go ahead and flip all those cards anyway, or try to. But like we said, I'm bringing you this Spider-Man comic today. I just want to showcase it for you guys. But there's the front hologram. It's a 30th anniversary special, 1992 anniversary. It says there's great new villains, and also a gatefold poster of Spidey, the Silver Surfer, and Captain America. So let's check that out. Sorry. This was $3.50 back in the day, $3.50. But I'll have it showing on the screen here. But on the first page, there's a Fleer ad for some football cards. There's a lot of ads for some pretty nostalgic things if you go ahead and look through these. But cool, go ahead. This is the Spider-Man Volume 1, number 26.
September 1992.
September 1992, copyright date. So that was 28 years ago was the anniversary. So 28 plus 30 is what?
56.
58. 30 plus 28 is 58. So Spider-Man is 58 years old. Dang, that's crazy.
Still looks young.
But anyways, flipping through this, there's like a Marvel Universe Series 3 Skybox ad, 1992, for cards as well. Marvel cards. Well, yeah, going through it, there's always these ads for other things, other comics. Batman vs. Judge Dredd. All the ones you can probably think of. The art is just cool. Here's another video game ad. It's for Sega and Super Nintendo. A Sears ad. Save $10 on Super Off-Road or Bart versus the Space Mutants. Suddenly, the place with the games everyone wants is Sears. Go figure. That's the ad in here. Yeah, Stan Lee was epic. I'll show you this cool poster. I'll check that out. That's pretty cool.
That's all the graphics.
Who's your favorite in this one? Silver Surfer?
Yeah, Silver Surfer.
That's pretty epic. Just the spider web. The spider web is like just a cable. It's just like entangled hairs of cable. So clean, crispy. Gotta keep it fresh.
in good shape.
Yeah. There's some more Nintendo ads. Super cool. But towards the end, there's Hulk joins. Thanks to my enhanced reflexes and coordination, I'm practically without peer when it comes to leaping, swinging, tumbling, somersaulting, and any other acrobatic act. So that was it. Here is the Charleston Chew in the back, the ad. It says, send in your Charleston Chew wrapper, and we'll give you plus 50 cents, and we'll send you a limited collector's edition Marvel comic. That would have been cool. That's it. Hey, thanks for joining us. We wanted to just spend time again, documenting our days, as for the most part. We'll just open some cards for you. We'll show you the journey as I flip those cards, especially with those comic books. I wonder how that's gonna work out. But yeah, cool. Any last words?
Well, if you're new, you can hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. And well, this was like a long journey for me as a kid. Well, Spider-Man was my favorite when I was little. So, as my brother talking about this is pretty cool. And I'll give it back to him.
Alright, guys. Stay safe, stay clean, stay positive on your journey. And we'll see you soon. Shoots.